Hello friends, I'm glad that I'm taking it to AK7DOLL. Welcome to viewers.
Hey guys, it's a girl AK7DOLL TV and today we are doing another collaboration video.
This session is in continuation of the previous one. We discuss here the common errors committed by the non-native speakers in their day-to-day conversations.
Okay, I'll read out the sentences. You must be able to find the errors there.
Okay, I will try to correct them.
Okay, fine. I'll tell to your teacher about it.
I will tell your teacher about it.
Excellent.
So basically, I will tell to your teacher is not correct. You just have to remove the word to.
One more time. I will tell to your teacher about it.
No, it is I will tell your teacher about it. I'll use some examples. I will tell your teacher that you weren't paying attention in class today.
Okay, fine. Next one. He said me, tomorrow is a holiday.
He told me tomorrow is a holiday.
Otherwise?
He said to me.
Once again.
Yeah.
He said me, tomorrow is a holiday.
He told me tomorrow is a holiday.
Ah.
Or he said to me that tomorrow is a holiday.
Very good.
To fix that sentence, you just have to add to.
See, all people have to think in their mind. Tell you. Say to you. Tell is equal to say to.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Next one. Explain me the reason for your late arrival here. Explain me.
Explain to me
Good.
why are you late?
Okay, fine. See, explain needs to.
If you're talking to a native speaker and they did something wrong that you didn't like, or they came pretty late if they're your friend, you will say, explain me why you didn't come early. They will explain about you because you didn't add to it.
Fantastic. So, the right form is explain to me the reason, or explain the reason to me.
Yes.
Explain the reason to me, not explain me the reason. Okay.
Yeah, because the person might think, oh, I have to explain about you? Okay.
Right. Next one. I will pay by cash.
I'll pay in cash.
Good.
I'll pay in cash. I'll pay by check. But we should not say I'll pay by cash. Many people say. So the right usage is I'll pay in cash. I'll pay by check. Okay.
Let's have a whole cheers.
Tell us.
So guys, and see you in the next session. Bye!